Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So yesterday I made a video talking about cruise line stocks. I talked about Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, and Carnival Cruise Line. And then today on that video there was quite a bit of comments asking about Saudi Arabia investing into Carnival Cruise Line. So I want to get into that in this video. So look at Carnival stock today. It went up 20.26%, and it's gone up after hours trading at the time of filming this, up 2.74%. So it's having a pretty good day. But if you look at it from this example, it doesn't really look like it was much of a move at all, because back in January, the stock was trading for around $50 a share. The jump in Carnival stock was after Saudi Arabia's investment fund said it had acquired an 8.2% stake in the company. The fund said in a filing that it had purchased 43.5 million shares of the cruise line company worth $369.4 million, which is quite a bargain seeing how the stock has come down about 80% over the last couple months. Saudi Arabia's investment fund is no stranger to investing into companies that some say might be a little bit risky, because in the past they've also invested into Tesla and Uber, and well, that's worked out pretty well for them. But Carnival Cruise would definitely be the most risky stock that Saudi Arabia Investment Fund had invested into, and that is because, well, Carnival Cruise's business is not doing anything. They're just at a standstill, and they're just trying to stay afloat, no pun intended. And the whole cruise industry is left out of the whole $2.2 trillion stimulus bill. That is because none of those companies want to pay federal income taxes. So Carnival Cruise, for example, the company might have their headquarters in Miami, Florida, but they're actually incorporated in Panama. And since Carnival is not able to get any of that stimulus money, they had to raise money last week. Carnival raised $6.25 billion in new debt and equity, $4 billion in bonds that are going to mature in 2023. The yield of that is a ridiculous 11.5%. They also raised $1.75 billion in convertible notes with a ridiculous 5.75% coupon, which also expires on 2023. Then they added a public equity offering of 62.5 million common shares at $8 a share. Pretty low price to put new shares out, but it is what it is. And they had to get rid of their dividend, which they were consistently raising and paying out for over the last 10 years. So Carnival Cruise does have billions in assets with their ships, and now that they have raised the money to get them through another year, they might attract even more interest than just Saudi Arabia. But it will definitely be a while before this company gets back to normal. We don't even know when they're even going to be operating business again. But for a lot of people, they're willing to take that risk, so we'll have to see how things go with it. So for me, I'm personally going to wait to buy into Carnival Cruise a little bit to see if it's going to go down a little bit, because I've already made the mistake of buying into it at $22 a share, thinking it has come down a lot and now it's at a great discount. But that was before we knew how bad things were going to be. So consciously, I'm going to wait and see just what happens. If not, my loss. Anyways, I'd like to know what you guys think about Carnival Cruise Lines. Are you investing into it? Are you holding off? Please let me know. As always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video coming very soon. Hey, real quick, if you guys need to build a website, check out my affiliate, hostm1.com. And you can find me on Instagram at micro_investor.